Most people get thrown into the world of investing, and it's quite overwhelming. This is why we at Cube Wealth have put out this piece. Life can take you by surprise. One minute you're trying to sharpen your pencil without breaking it, and the very next minute you're a grown-up. Everyone expects you to know adult things like what the best way to invest money is, how you can invest in stocks, and what the best mutual funds are. All these are crucial questions you need to answer to ensure you make your money work for you. The most of us don't know how to invest. Most people get thrown into the world of investing, and it's quite overwhelming, which is why we at Cube Wealth have put out this piece. But before we jump into the deep end, let's cover the basics. Why should you invest your money? Why invest your money? Why not just let it sit in your savings account? After all, you do get interested in your savings account. Moreover, it's guaranteed returns. Why then do people suggest you invest your money? Well, the answer is simple: inflation. Most savings bank accounts will barely keep up with inflation, so you are at best going to maintain the value of your money. On the other hand, investing offers you a chance to beat inflation and grow your wealth, whether it's through property, gold, bank fixed deposits, or stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. You can make your money work for you if you play it smart. How to start investing? Starting investing can, like anything new, seem a little daunting. You're not sure about your decisions and are constantly second-guessing yourself. The key is to start small and start smart. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. A simple systematic investment plan will allow you to invest in mutual funds for as little as $10 per month. What you need, however, is a guide, a wealth coach, or advisor who can help you make the right decisions. Where to invest money? If you're a new investor, then it's best to invest some tried and tested forms of investment. These include 1. Investing in a property. Real estate is a popular investment option because of its tangible and usable nature. However, you cannot consider real estate investment unless the profits from rental or sale have been realized. So from the liquidity point of view, it isn't the best bet. 2. Investing in stocks and bonds. Stock and bonds are great investment options for those who are willing to take a bigger risk. It also requires more knowledge and tracking than some other investment options, which is why for most people mutual funds are safer and more reliable investment options. 3. Investing in mutual funds. Since a mutual fund is a combination of stocks, bonds, and securities, it is lower risk than direct stock investments. When done through SIPs and managed wisely, it gives you the benefit of the rising markets without putting your money at too much risk. To know more, you can read our blog about the best mutual funds. 4. Investing in gold. Gold is a popular investment option once again due to its tangible nature. More importantly, all fiat currencies derive their value from gold reserves. However, the value of gold rises rather slowly and is not as lucrative as, say, a stock, bond, good property, or mutual fund. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has been one of the hottest investments of the last few years, largely because of price volatility. Coin prices tend to fluctuate dramatically since they're influenced by supply and demand as well as media attention. As a result, investing in crypto has become popular because of its high risks and potentially large payoff from relatively small investments. Certificates of deposit. CDs involve paying a lump sum that remains untouched for a period of time as it gains interest. CDs are less risky and guarantee profit. The payout just won't be as significant as growth stocks, for example. Since CDs are fixed and federally insured, you can avoid market volatility by opting for this investment. As a result, CDs tend to be a good option for low-risk investors. The best way to invest money. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Instead, it is a consistent and disciplined approach to growing wealth. The best way to invest money, therefore, is regularly and over a long period of time. You must do the following things before you start investing. 1. Know your goals. Different people have different financial goals. You may be investing for financial freedom. You could be investing to save up enough money for a world tour, etc. Whatever your financial goal is, you must identify and write it down before investing. 2. Know your risk appetite. Not everyone has the stomach to put in lots of their hard-earned money into the stock market or even mutual funds. Many people can't afford to block a large sum of money at once. This is why you must know what your risk appetite is.